थोड़ा साइड जा रहे
I am disappointed because BJP party, basically the Karyakarta as far as Panjim and Taligaon both has not supported us. Because to tell you, as far as Taligaon is concerned, the Mahila BJP president was sitting on a Congress booth on the day of voting, and same thing to do in Panjim. So basically, what happened? We defeated the BJP and we defeated the Congress. We won because of the support of these people. Clear?
Who you support as the CM?
That will see after. Hello.
How would you react on your victory? How would you react on your victory?
I am disappointed with the result because this is not an expected result. BJP actually stepped behind the back.
So are you going to leave BJP now?
See, to tell you frankly, I am totally disappointed as far as the result is concerned. The Bharatiya Janata Party cadre did not work for me. They worked for the opposition candidate. I basically fought the BJP, means unofficial candidate of the BJP as well as the Congress. It is because of the support of a few of this Karyakarta and other supporters, that is how we managed to retain the seat.
बाबूश इस तरीके से देख रहे हैं इसको कंटिन्यू रहेगा सर पंजिम कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में परिकर का मनोहर परिकर का लेने
See, I am telling you what I am saying. See, I feel the BJP cadre has not accepted me in the party. I look at it in that way. So that is the reason. See, if he can get so many votes, it is just because the cadre shifted their votes to him. I can see only that. And basically, BJP party on the leadership here did not manage to do the what do you say, the damage control. If you get one second, if you go to see Taligaon also, this is the first time a flag of the BJP will be flying in Taligaon. At least it was there. First time in the history of Goa, a BJP flag will be flying. Second thing, BJP Karyakarta there also worked against Jennifer. To give you one instance, I'll tell you, the president of the women's cell of the BJP, all Goa women's cell BJP, was sitting on the Congress table on the day of election.
बाबूश किस तरीके से चेहरा सही आया है क्या बीजेपी को
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं,
बाबूश
हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
बाबूश का फिगर पेश से ही विन हो गया ना।
No, I am saying with our supporters, a strong, loyal supporters, that is how we won. Although you see that this thing, no, it was touch and go. It was whatever. It was just 20 votes here or 50 votes here. That was the difference. So how can you get that difference? Because I never expected this result at all. So now I can tell you with full with full my judgment that they played a part. The BJP Karyakarta has not accepted me in the BJP.